Ayan o. Pakita ko sa iyo yung ating view. Ayun o, ganda.
Just like 100.
Ayun o, sa likod ko. Ang daming mga rock formation.
Like in Palawan. Similar in Palawan.
Ganon?
Yes. But this one, they have a lot of small islands.
Sobrang init sa baba. Buti galing na kami kanina ron sa Skywalk. Medyo mainit. Dito kami ngayon sa restaurant. After namin mag-breakfast, we have to stand by here for a while, drinking iced coffee, iced cappuccino, and Americano. Okay. Here's my beautiful wife.
Happy life.
So,
If you want happy life.
happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, make your wife happy.
Ching ching.
But I make also my hubby happy. Not
Yes.
only
Of course. Coffee
me. Yeah, coffee is life.
and the view.
Coffee and the view, it makes our life better.
Ganda oh. Sulit naman yung entrance. Yung entrance mo dito is 800 with breakfast na yun. Pero if you want add some upgrade breakfast,
It's about
nag-upgrade
100.
nag-upgrade kami ng more on 300 baht for the good view breakfast. Yeah.
That's why they visit here in the afternoon.
Yes.
A little bit cold, but yeah, much better for us. Maaga naman tayo pang di ba?
Yes. We have iced coffee here.
Yes.
Ganda naman kasi ng ano rito, ang view. Ayun.
Yeah.
Kaya lang yung stand eh.
We forget the stand, but it's okay.
Coffee. Ice Americano.
I think I got 4 cups of 2 cups of coffee, 1 cup of mocha, 1 cup of milk tea, and I have my
me,
ice
I have
cappuccino.
2 hot Americano and 1 ice Americano
That is the usual.
without sugar.
Yes. Coffee is life.
Coffee is life and happy life, happy wife.
It's not only wife, it's also hubby. If
Yes.
hubby is happy, he can drive and he can took lots of good photos.
My cell phone is full right now. I think my cell phone I have a 5,000 photo. My 256 gigabyte is full already. Oh my god. I have to upgrade
We can
1
upgrade.
terabyte.
Yeah, we can upgrade that. But not now.
Hindi ko naman kasi ma-delete. Sayang, ang daming mga picture dito na photo for memories.
Is so maybe we can keep that and then
Photo
We can
you
print?
keep for memory.
we can print.
Maybe.
Maybe much better to print.
Yes.
Still, diba? Malaglag. Yan. If you can print it, it's much better because you can keep on looking on it.
Hindi na kasi kasi nagpiprint eh, no?
Oo, but I think it's much better. Na
Babalik din yan,
piniprint-
palagay ko babalik din yan.
Piniprint pa din kasi those memories you can still look back
Palagay ko,
Unlike pagka
babalik.
digital, if you lost your phone or if the phone stop,
Palagay ko babalik yan. Maybe next year or 2028, babalik pa rin ang developing ng mga
yes,
photo.
much
For sure
better
yan.
kasi
Babalik yan. Kasi hahanapin na ngayon yan. Magsasawa na yung tao sa
digital, yes.
digital photo, titingin-tingin. Pero
But still
Next.
much better sa album.
babalik sa album yan for sure. Tapos yung nilalagay dun sa may table mo, center table, ilalagay na gano'n.
Yes.
No? Babalik yan. Palagay ko next vacation, maipa-photo
Photo album.
Yeah. Cut muna natin to.
Sure.
Puno na rin to. Diba? Oo, puno na rin to. Siguro mga ilang minutes na lang ang available na to. Kasi mula pa ng mga kailan ba yun? Yung marami ng ano dito, video. Tapos nag-delete na rin ako ng iba.
Diyan. Pagka magano ka ng
Ting mga 1 terabyte memory. My memory is here is full already.
you need some more.
I need some more memory. Kasi for keeps naman talaga, Tama, di ba? Napakaganda ng view. Sulit na rin yung mga ilang oras na stay mo dito.
Oo.
See.
Yeah, that's good. And have already
I have ice americano. I have ice cappuccino.
cappuccino. But I need to.
Mamaya, sana walang acid. Cheers.
Cheers. Saan na siya? Nag-ano ko kasi may other post ko. Yung pagka-post ko lang ngayon. Nawala. Mahal.
Saan mo pinas?
Sa reels ko. Ayun.
Sa Reels.
Kasi, alam mo kung ano yung isang, kailangan i-heart ko siya.
Bye-bye!
Yes, bye!
Hello! Oh, it's Paro-Paro. This is RB. Ganda dito. Look at the view. And yung skywalk. Ganda ng formation ng rock formation. Sky Glass Walk. Sobrang init nga sa labas. Ayan o. We have ice cappuccino and ice americano. Oops!